For years, many people believed building a custom home meant choosing between quality and affordability. If you wanted beautiful design, you expected to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you wanted to save money, you settled for something ordinary. But across America, prefab barndominium kits are quietly changing that equation. Behind surprisingly affordable price tags are homes designed to be customized, expanded, and built faster than many people ever imagined. Yet one important detail is often overlooked. The advertised price tells only part of the story, and understanding what's really included can be the difference between making a smart investment and facing unexpected costs later. Before this video ends, you'll see why one of these kits completely changed the way I think about affordable home building. Buying a prefab barndominium kit sounds simple until you realize that two kits with nearly identical price tags can lead to completely different building costs. One may include structural features that save thousands later, while another leaves expensive essentials for you to figure out after delivery. Somewhere in this lineup is a kit that looks fairly ordinary at first glance, but delivers exceptional long-term value without announcing it. Another has become a favorite among experienced builders for a reason most buyers never notice. And before we reach the final reveal, you'll discover the costly detail many first-time buyers only learn after construction has already begun. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what separates a smart purchase from an expensive mistake. There's a fear underneath this that doesn't get said out loud. The fear of signing a contract, watching savings disappear into a foundation and a stack of steel panels, and discovering the brochure number was never the real number. Families have paused mid-build. Couples have argued over change orders they never saw coming. Once you understand what separates these 9 kits, you won't just save money, you'll build with a confidence most first-time buyers never feel. I'm Mason, and I spend lots of hours researching America's most inspiring barndominiums, innovative home designs, and practical building strategies to separate marketing claims from real-world building decisions. If thoughtful design, lasting value, and building with confidence matter to you, subscribe to Modern Luxury Homes USA so you never miss practical insights that can help you build smarter. Stay with me until the very end, because the final prefab kit proves that the lowest advertised price isn't always the best value. And one overlooked feature changed the way I evaluate affordable barndominium kits for good. I didn't always see it that way. Early on, I ranked kits by sticker price alone, same as most people scrolling listings today, until walking through half-finished barndominiums and talking with builders burned by vague specs taught me what the price tag never says. At first glance, many prefab barndominium kits look almost identical. The renderings are polished, the prices seem deceptively affordable, and every manufacturer promises an easier path to homeownership. But that's exactly where many buyers get caught off guard. The difference between a kit that becomes a dream home and one that turns into an expensive lesson often isn't obvious until construction has already begun. The smartest buyers don't simply ask, "How much does this kit cost?" They ask, "What am I really getting for my money?" And once you look beyond the marketing photos, the answers get more interesting than most people expect. One of the first kits we'll explore looks like one of the best bargains on the market. But before long, you'll see why another design with a slightly higher price tag may actually deliver far greater value over time. And it's not for the reason most people expect. Picture a piece of land at sunrise along the Midwest's rolling edge, fog still clinging to the fence lines. Waiting there is a compact steel-framed barndominium that feels pricier than it is, board and batten trim, a low gable roofline, an east-facing porch built for coffee and silence. Its strength is a red iron frame hidden beneath the siding, rated for wind loads that would make a stick-built home shudder. Inside, an open living area flows into a galley kitchen and one bedroom with a deep closet, while clear-story windows keep 900 square feet from feeling small. Red iron resists warping, pests, and fire in ways lumber can't, buying decades before major maintenance is needed. Under $70,000 gets you shell, roof, doors, windows, and engineering plans. Foundation and utilities come separately, and that's where first-timers underestimate their real budget. On acreage near a homestead community, this suits first-time builders and retirees wanting simplicity without sacrificing durability. Further south, where land opens into wide pasture, sits a Barndominium built for someone who never stops building things. From the road it reads as a working shop, corrugated steel, an oversized roll-up door. But walk around back and a living wing unfolds in cedar accents that soften the industrial edge. What actually sets this apart is flexible zoning inside one structure. Nearly half the footprint is unfinished shop space, engineered to carry a future mezzanine. Living quarters center on an open kitchen and great room, with a loft bedroom reached by an open staircase. Unfinished shop space lets you finish only what you need now and expand later without touching the frame. Builders call it phased build-out, a quiet reason kits like this stay under $100,000. Included: frame, shell, roofing, structural drawings. Not included: slab, electrical, plumbing, and permitting, which vary by county. This fits homesteaders and small business owners who need a workshop and a home answering to no landlord. On the high plains, where summer heat and winter wind both hit hard, stands a Barndominium that looks unassuming from the highway. Muted gray panels, a simple hip roof. The story isn't in the exterior. It's in what's built into the walls. This kit uses structurally insulated panels. Insulation sandwiched into the wall and roof structure during manufacturing rather than added on-site later. The 1,100 square foot layout holds 2 bedrooms, a shared bath, and a kitchen island anchoring the main space, wrapped in walls nearly airtight compared to stick framing. SIP construction can cut heating and cooling costs considerably over the home's life, since far fewer gaps let air escape. Real money back every winter, not a marketing bullet point. The price covers panels, framing, and construction documents. Foundation, HVAC, and finish work are separate. Families in colder climates gravitate here. This is why some kits cost more upfront. They solve expensive problems before construction even begins. Near a lake community, tucked between pines, sits a Barndominium with board-formed concrete accents and a metal roof pitched steep enough to shed heavy snow without hesitation. Everything about it says built to be inherited, not replaced. The detail that pays off later is a heavier gauge steel frame than most competitors offer at this price, with galvanized fasteners resisting corrosion near humid lake air. A vaulted great room opens to a wraparound kitchen, a downstairs primary suite opposite a loft that converts easily into a guest room or office. Thinner framing can flex under heavy snow or wind load over decades, leading to costly repairs. Paying slightly more for structural steel now protects the investment for 50 years or longer. The base package includes structural steel, roofing, and engineering certification. Foundation and interior build-out are handled locally. This speaks to multi-generational families planning to stay put. Tucked into wooded acreage where cell service fades and trees close in overhead, this Barndominium was designed to disappear from everyday noise. A low, dark roofline and black steel siding let it blend into the tree line. At only 640 square feet, the payoff isn't size. It's a vaulted ceiling and oversized windows that make the open room feel double its footprint, a sleeping loft above the kitchen, and a covered deck extending living space outdoors nearly year-round. Raising a roofline increases perceived volume without adding a square foot to the foundation, keeping costs down while the space still feels expansive. Priced under $50,000, it includes frame, shell, and loft structure with septic, well, and interior finishing left to the buyer. It's the clear favorite among weekend retreat owners and anyone building a first structure before committing to something larger. On the edge of an expanding rural subdivision, where new driveways are still being poured, sits a 2-story Barndominium with a wraparound porch that feels more farmhouse than metal building. Board and batten siding, black trim, and a covered entry give it real curb appeal. Its edge is a 2nd-story floor system engineered to carry residential loads without the bounce common in cheaper builds. A detail buyers rarely ask about until standing upstairs feeling every footstep below. Downstairs, an open kitchen and living area anchor the home. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms share a bathroom and a hallway reading nook. A poorly engineered 2nd story can develop noise, sagging, or fatigue in busy family homes. Paying for proper joist spacing now prevents a disruptive retrofit later. At just under $95,000, the kit includes framing, roofing, siding, and stamped engineering plans, while slab, plumbing, and electrical rough-ins stay the buyer's responsibility. This one is built for young families growing into their space rather than out of it. On sloped acreage overlooking a valley, where builders would normally recommend expensive grading, this kit was engineered for uneven terrain. A daylight basement design lets it step down the hillside instead of fighting it. The catch most buyers miss is a foundation system built to work with the slope rather than requiring it leveled first, saving tens of thousands in site prep alone. The main level holds an open living space and kitchen with panoramic valley windows. The walkout lower level offers a flexible bonus room for a gym, office, or extra bedroom. Standard grading on sloped land can quietly cost more than the kit itself, and buyers who skip that question up front often end up over budget before the frame goes up. The kit includes frame, shell, windows, and slope-suited engineering. Excavation beyond standard grading is handled separately. This fits buyers with view lots others dismissed as too difficult. Far from the nearest power line, on land chosen for isolation, stands a Barndominium built to function independently of the grid. Solar-ready roof trusses and a reinforced utility room hint at its purpose before you step through the door. The tell here is roof framing pre-engineered to carry solar panel loads without retrofitting, plus wiring chases already built into the walls for future battery storage. Decisions made at manufacturing that cost thousands more to add later. An efficient one-bedroom layout keeps energy demand low, with a mudroom entry built for muddy boots and firewood. Retrofitting solar and batteries into a finished home means cutting into walls never meant to be reopened. Building it in from day one turns a future upgrade into a simple installation. Priced near $88,000, the kit includes frame, shell, and solar-ready structural elements. The array, batteries, and well systems are purchased separately. This is the clear choice for homesteaders prioritizing independence over convenience. Here's the costly detail first-timers discover mid-build. Infrastructure decided before construction is considerably cheaper than infrastructure added after. Return for a moment to that fear from earlier, paying for a shell and discovering months later how much was missing. This final kit sits on rolling land near a small, growing town where new families have moved in over the past few years, drawn by lower costs and a genuine sense of community. From outside, it doesn't try to impress. Charcoal siding, a straightforward gable roof, a modest front porch. But this is the kit that made me rewrite how I evaluate every other one on this list, because the manufacturer bundles something almost no competitor does at this price. Foundation-ready engineering stamp for multiple soil types, pre-run electrical chases, and a builder support line included free through the first year of construction. The 1,050 square foot interior holds an open kitchen and living space, 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and a mudroom doing the job of an entire entryway system. Nothing here is extravagant, but every choice is deliberate. That included support matters more than any finish, because the single biggest cost buyers don't see coming in prefab construction isn't materials. It's the professional guidance they usually pay for separately when something goes wrong. This kit builds that safety net into the price itself. Picture the first year here. Unpacking boxes in a space that already feels finished, calling a support line instead of paying a consultant, watching a small town's main street rebuild itself a few miles down the road. At just under $99,000, this kit includes frame, shell, roofing, engineering, and a full year of build support. Foundation, utilities, and interior finishing remain the buyer's responsibility, but with far fewer surprises along the way. This is the kit for buyers who want bargain shell affordability with the peace of mind usually reserved for pricier builds. And it's exactly the reveal I promised at the very beginning. Instead of asking which prefab kit costs the least, perhaps the better question is which one gives you the strongest foundation for the life you want to build. The smartest investment isn't always the one with the lowest advertised price. It's the one built on thoughtful design, practical engineering, long-term flexibility, and a clear understanding of exactly what you're paying for before construction ever begins. That fear we talked about earlier doesn't disappear because you found a good deal. It disappears once you finally understand what you're actually buying. I'm Mason, and thanks for spending part of your day with me. I hope this video gave you greater confidence in choosing a prefab Barndominium kit that truly fits your goals. I'd love to know which design stood out to you most and why. so share your thoughts in the comments. If you found these insights valuable, subscribe to Modern Luxury Homes USA for more research-driven home ideas, practical building guidance, and inspiring designs that help you make smarter decisions. Until next time, remember, a smarter home doesn't begin with a bigger budget. It begins with better decisions. The prices, specifications, availability, and kit contents discussed in this video are based on information available at the time of production. Actual pricing included components, customization options, labor costs, permits, site preparation, and building expenses may vary depending on the manufacturer, location, market conditions, and individual project requirements. This content is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered architectural, engineering, financial, legal, or construction advice. Always verify current information directly with the manufacturer and consult qualified professionals before making purchasing or building decisions.